Hi guys, James Earnshaw here. I am Group Session Manager for Bad Apple Hair and Cloud9 Style Ambassador. Join me on the 11th of June on Hairdressing Live for my Cool Girl Hair Up class. Now what are you going to get from this class, I hear you ask? You're going to get quite a few different things from the day. We're going to kind of work with a lot of prepping techniques, a lot of electrical tools, what kind of electrical tool gives you what look. You're going to get a lot of product application choices. Also, I get asked quite a lot, how do I get my looks more secure but still for them to look quite undone? We're going to be covering that as well. There's going to be some braiding in there. Also, we're going to be working with a bit of a trend update for longer hair for you. So there's going to be quite a few different things in there for you on that day. So I'll see you on the 11th of June, 11:30 a.m. on Hairdressing Live. I'll see you there.
If you like what you've seen, leave a comment below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.